In today's digital age, creating high-quality content is a crucial part of any successful marketing strategy. However, producing original content on a regular basis can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Repurposing content offers a valuable solution to this challenge, allowing you to make the most of someone else's existing content and reach a wider audience legally. Get the viral video ROLODEX and legally repurpose all of them. Step 1. Join Viral Video ROLODEX. Step 2. Download and repost our videos on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Step 3. Profit. There will be a link in the description for you to copy and paste. Content repurposing refers to legally taking existing content from someone else and adapting it for use in your own platform. You can download from TikTok and repurpose to your own page or to another social media site. By using the Viral Video ROLODEX, you can legally repurpose high-traffic videos and add your own affiliate link. Repurposing content from someone else legally can create new pieces of content that can reach a wider audience without having to start from scratch. One of the biggest benefits of repurposing content is the ability to reach a wider audience. By creating content in different formats, you can appeal to different types of consumers. Repurposing your content allows you to reach these different audiences and expand your reach. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook are good starts. Repurposing content can save you time and resources in the long run. Instead of having to create new content from scratch every time, you can use existing content as a starting point. Repurposing content can also help improve your search engine rankings. By creating new pieces of content that link back to your original content, you can increase your website's authority and improve your search engine rankings. This can lead to more traffic and higher conversion rates. Repurposing content can save you money in the long run. By using existing content as a starting point, you can avoid the costs associated with creating new content from scratch. This can include costs such as hiring writers, designers, and videographers. Repurposing content can also lead to a higher return on investment by creating multiple pieces of content from a single piece of content. By using the Viral Video ROLODEX, you can legally repurpose high-traffic videos and add your own affiliate link. You can maximize the value of your content and generate more leads and sales. This can lead to a higher return on investment for your marketing efforts. Repurposing content can also help you create diversified revenue streams. You can reach different audiences and generate revenue from multiple sources. Repurposing content is a valuable strategy that can help you reach a wider audience. It will save you time and resources and generate financial benefits. You can maximize the value of your content and generate more leads and sales. If you're looking to improve your marketing efforts and increase your return on investment, consider repurposing existing content. Get the Viral Video ROLODEX and legally repurpose all of them. Step 1. Join Viral Video ROLODEX. Step 2. Download and repost our videos on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Step 3. Profit. There will be a link in the description for you to copy and paste. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe link and smash the like button too.